All right, children, are you ready for some fun?
Yes.
Let's do some more science today. We have 3 experiments we're going to do.
I did science.
You did?
It was like this. I was patting on myself and the water was moving.
That's some fun science. We're going to do some experiments that I found in this book called Bathtub Science. The experiments we're going to do today demonstrate pressure. What's pressure?
When, like, pushing.
Like pushing on your hand, you can feel the pressure.
Yeah.
Good. Now, watch what happens to this bottle. See how there's water and air on top? What happens if I squeeze?
It will get higher.
The water level gets a little bit higher, but it gets harder and harder to squeeze. You try too. It's easy at first, but then it gets harder. When you do that, the air has nowhere to go, so the pressure inside the air gets higher and higher, so the air molecules get more and more smashed together. We're going to demonstrate something by squeezing on a bottle. So what we need today is we have a 2-liter bottle. I chose a clear one filled with water, not all the way, and also some standard condiment packets. We have, what's this say right there? What's this say right here, David?
Fire.
Fire. Now we're not actually going to be playing with real fire. This is just fire sauce from Taco Bell. And we have, what is this, Rebecca?
Ketchup.
Ketchup from McDonald's. Now on the back we drew some little divers. Do you see the little snorkels?
Me.
This is a little girl and this is a little boy. I'm going to go show the camera real quick. That's fine. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open the lid and we're going to see, may I see yours please, Rebecca? I'm going to take your little diver, fold her in half just a little bit, and bloop, plop her in the water. May I see your little diver too, please? Is yours going to work? It's kind of big. Do you think it'll work?
Explode.
If not, it might catch all over the ceiling. Bloop. Okay. Why are they floating?
Do they have air in them?
They have a little bit of air in them. Good job. Can you come stand over here? I'd like to see you too, David. They have a little bit of air in them. Now, the reason they're floating is there's just enough air to help so the weight is light enough so that it floats. But remember when we squeeze it, it made the air contract and get smaller. When we squeeze the bottle, Becca, it's going to make the little bits of air that are in the packet get smaller too. So let's see what happens when we squeeze the bottle. What do you think will happen first?
They'll sink a little.
You think they'll sink? Let's find out. Have you done this before? Whoa! Okay, can you move your hand? Let's. David sure sunk. Let's see what Rebecca's does. Can we make Rebecca sink at all? Oh, there it goes, there it goes. But David's is lying down flat on the ground. Why is one sinking more than the other?
Because it's bigger. A little heavier.
I think it's because it has more air in it. So when we squeeze Rebecca's, there's less air to squeeze.
You're going to explode the bottle.
You think I'm going to explode the bottle?
Yeah.
There it goes. But I have to put a lot of pressure on the outside of this. Now watch what happens when I let go. Ready?
Are we going to take them out?
Let's go take it a little bit closer. So when we squeeze the bottle, down go the divers. At least one of them. Because he has more air in him. But if we really, really squeeze, oh, we can get the other one to go down too. But when we let go, bloop, the little air bubbles inside the packets return to their normal size.
And Becca goes faster.
So there's more volume for the water to push up.
Daddy, I found out why.
Is this fun?
I found out why you wanted them to dry.
Why?
Because you didn't want the divers to wash off.
That's right. So sometimes they call this the Cartesian diver. So this demonstrated pressure and how when you put pressure on it, it can affect things even inside the bottle. Isn't that neat?
I'm touching.
Is that pretty fun?
I was touching mine.
Okay, you two squeeze together. See if you can get that one to go down. Can you get it?
No. Watch this, Daddy. I'm touching. Massage her. Squeeze as hard as you can.
We don't want to break the bottle. I can't get a good squeeze because your hand's there. But we know that it works now. Is science fun?
Yeah!
Let's go on to another experiment.
Okay. Just one more.